In this work, we present MagDesk, an interactive tabletop workspace based on passive magnetic tracking. Ubiquitous computing holds the promise of making surfaces intelligent and interactive. However, one challenge to this vision is that many sensing approaches incur line-of-sight issues, drifting issues, or require batteries or forms of instrumentation that require maintenance. Fortunately, passive magnets require no maintenance and maintain a stable field strength. With a 112 magnetometer array affixed under a work surface, we can track a passive magnet along 5 degrees of freedom. In this clip, the two traces on the bottom right are the position of the stylus, predicted by MagDesk, and a ground truth by a Vive tracker. Even when objects are placed on the desk presenting occlusions, tracking of the magnet remains robust. We found millimeter-level tracking performance across a large range of distances, first in its class, as well as robust tracking even with fast movements. More tracking results can be found in the paper. This tracking ability allows us to create a multitude of interfaces, such as supporting various tangibles like a slider, a hinge, and a knob. We can also support 2D drawing applications where ink is only dispersed when the stylus is in contact with the table, a 3D drawing application where the stylus can be tracked in all 5 degrees of freedom, While the user could draw and erase traces on 3D surfaces with the stylus, the addition of a tangible button allows the user to selectively create arbitrary 3D traces when the button is toggled. A fast-paced tower defense game where the height and orientation of the magnet are the controls while supporting multiple players. This was MagDesk. Thank you for watching, and please see the full paper for details.